Welcome to Fluid Energy Group. Enviro-Syn HCR-6000 is part of the environmentally responsible modified acid system product line that has the comparable performance abilities of hydrochloric acid without the extremely hazardous exposure and corrosive properties. Enviro-Syn HCR-6000 is a low-hazard replacement series for all hydrochloric acid blends that can be enhanced through the addition of conventional oil field chemistry. This broad application system is designed to be applied to your high-temperature applications. HCR-6000 offers unparalleled corrosion protection at temperatures where hydrochloric acid packages fail to protect your assets. With systems applicable up to and over 430 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees centigrade, HCR-6000 now provides you a highly effective solution for stimulation or workovers while providing industry-leading corrosion protection. Operational benefits: corrosion packages up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees centigrade. Fewer wellbore compatibility issues, comprehensive spending nature, minimal exothermic reaction, high salinity tolerance, less formation phase dissolution, minimal precipitation or sludging tendencies, reduced transport storage requirements, no phase separation, high temperature thermal stability, high temperature SAGD and cyclical steam CSS scale treatments, strengths comparable up to 25% HCl, high iron compatibility. HSC benefits: reduced immediate evolution of hydrogen chloride vapor, non-corrosive to skin tissue, non-volatile, low toxicity, readily biodegradable, non-mutagenic. Customized solutions. Through our varied HCR-6000 series offerings, Fluid Energy Group has the ability to replace your current acid system at temperatures up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees centigrade, with a safer alternative that will bring many benefits to your operations. HCR-6000 series, our universal blend for scale treatments, spearheads, injection wells, and many other HT applications. HCR-6000N offshore, yellow, gold, R North Sea classification, unrivaled performance with unparalleled safety. HCR-6000 frac, solubilizing abilities comparable to 15% HCl for all your fracturing needs or heavy spearhead applications. HCR-6000 frac plus, solubilizing abilities comparable to 25% HCl with additional safety and performance over your current acid packages. Please contact us for more information.